Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to set up the Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication on your iOS device along with your Android device. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is install the Google Authenticator application. Now, if you're on your iOS device, go ahead to your App Store. If you're on your Android, go ahead and open your Play Store. On your Play Store, you should see the search box, and on the search box, type Google Authenticator. You'll be able to see the install button under your Google Authenticator. Go ahead and tap on it. The next thing to do is go ahead and open the Google Authenticator application. On doing so, you should see a similar interface on both your iOS and your Android device. Go ahead and tap on Get Started. Now select the email address with which you'd like to continue and tap on Continue. Go ahead and tap on Add a Code option. Now you can either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Now open the application in which you'd like to enable your two-factor authentication. Suppose if you want to enable it for Instagram, go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now the first thing you're going to see when you open Instagram is obviously your home feed. Go ahead and switch to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. On doing so, you'll be able to see the three-barred menu on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Head on over to your Account Center. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Under Login and Recovery, you should see the option of two-factor authentication. Tap on it. Select the account to which you'd like to apply your two-factor authentication. You'll be able to see the option of Authentication app. Tap on it. Now go ahead and copy the key that is provided to you and go back to the Authenticator application. Over here, you'll be able to see the option of Add a Code. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap on Enter a Setup Key and paste your key over here and tap on Add. On doing so, you'll be able to see a time-based code. Now go ahead and copy that code and paste it over to your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, tap on Next and enter your 6-digit code. Tap on Next. After that, your two-factor authentication will be set. Now, every time you log into a device that Instagram does not recognize, you'll be asked for a login code that will be sent to you across the application of Google Authenticator. You can also tap on the backup codes, tap on Get New Codes, and keep in mind to screenshot these codes provided to you because these codes will allow you to log into your account in case you ever forget your password. And this is how you can set up your two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator on both your Android and your iOS devices. On both your Android and your iOS devices, the process is very similar. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.